Hey friends, Catherine here. Today I wanted to show you how to put together these adorable Pallet drink coasters. See, you can set a glass on it and it won't leave a water ring on your table. They are super cute and they look like pallets and you can decorate them all kinds of ways, and I wanted to show you how to put them together. These take 16 popsicle sticks. I took and just trimmed the curved end off of each of the popsicle sticks with a pair of scissors. And I did a bunch of popsicle sticks at once. And now I want to show you how to put them together. This is a plain one, but I want to do one with colored popsicle sticks. I picked up this pack of plain popsicle sticks at the dollar store for $1. I picked up a pack of colored popsicle sticks also at the dollar store, also for $1. So this is going to be a very affordable project. There are other things that you can do too, and we will be exploring one other way of decorating other than just using the colored popsicle sticks before the end of this video, but you'll just have to hang on and see what that is. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab 3 popsicle sticks and lay them out so that they are spread out fairly evenly, and line up. Line up so that they're spaced like that. Actually, no, that's not the first thing that you want to do. The first thing that you want to do is glue 3 sets of 2 popsicle sticks together. You want that little bit of extra width from these because these are going to be the sets that are up and down. So it just makes everything just a little bit easier if they've got a little bit of width on them. You don't necessarily have to do this step, but I like to. I find it makes the whole project just a little bit easier, and it improves, in my opinion, the strength on the end result. But, you know, you do whatever makes you happy. Okay, let's see. Just glue 3 sets together. And then what we're going to do is get glue all over our fingers. Oh, I'm also using a gel super glue for this. I like gel super glue for wood because it dries relatively quickly, but doesn't soak into the wood like a liquid super glue would. So it means that you can use it on the wood and it doesn't immediately get lost and soak in and then not adhere the 2 pieces together. So, there we go. And this one I'm just going to clip for a moment because one of the sticks is curved and they don't want to stick together. So I'll just put a clip on it for a little bit so that it will hopefully dry that way and hold. While that clip is on it, I am going to lay out, then lay out the 3 cross sticks. Go sort of in the middle-ish, and then down toward this end. Maybe a little bit more toward the middle. There we go. Okay, and then what I will do is just put a dab of glue on the end of each and stand one of my end pieces up on the ends of those cross pieces, hopefully making sure everything stands up. There we go, something like that. And same thing for the other end. Glue on the very end. And stick this piece on as well. Hopefully, sort of, kind of. There we go. Something like that. All right. Now this one is going to go in the center, but obviously we're going to have to pull that clamp off of there first, and it won't stay stuck together. That's okay. We will just pull off the curved one and toss it. If something isn't working for you, get rid of it and do something else. So we're going to put a little bit more glue on here because the curved one took half the glue with it, and glue a different stick to it. Problem solved. There we go. Okay, and then for this one, I'm going to do the glue on the ends of the upright piece. And in the middle, at the sort of middle place. And then set it on in something approaching the center there. And now we're getting into business. Okay. Then, let's see, we're going to arrange these in the order that we want them. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But we need one more because there are 7 slats across the top and I only have 6 colors here. And I've got this arranged in a rainbow. So what I'm thinking is gold. Now, you could just paint another stick gold. That would absolutely work. But I've got some gold washi tape here. So I'm going to use that. I'll just line up the end of my stick with the end of some washi tape and put it all the way down and try and make sure it's centered, and then trim it off and wrap the edges around. Go on one side and then the other side, and there we have it, an instant gold stick. Perfect. So now there's gold at the end of the rainbow. Yay! All right. I find it easiest for this and for getting everything even to put the ends on first. So I'm going to put the red a little bit in the center. So I'm just putting glue where it's going to come across the upright popsicle sticks. Go onto the very end and making sure that it is even with the end there. Good. And then the other end one, oop, let me crease that down a little bit. Really do want that to actually stay on. I mean, it will once the glue's on there, definitely. But I'll crease it into place to begin with so that I don't have to worry about it. And then do the same thing, glue on the ends and the center, and stick it on at this end. Perfect. So now I need the middle one, which is green, and do the same thing. Pretty repetitive. That's all right. There we go. And then put it as close as I can get it to the middle. Okay, coming together. Then what we're going to do is from this point actually lay out our 2 pieces that go in each of these open sections so that they rest evenly, hopefully. Go. There we are. Okay. Now we just have to glue those down. Now that we've got everything even-ish and straight, sort of, we'll just glue them all down. go. Stick everything into place. And 2 more to go. Last one. And then we're done. Now all we have to do is let this dry. And look how cute it is. And it makes an excellent drink coaster, and you can do any kind of washi tape that you want to with that. It doesn't just have to be solid colors. You could use patterns or marble or whatever you want, really. And you could also paint them, of course, or you could dye them. That's what these sticks are. They are actually dyed, and it's really easy to dye popsicle sticks. You just put food coloring and water into a bowl and then dunk the stick in it for like 30 seconds. I actually have some fabric washi tape, which I think would be really interesting to do on one of these palettes. If you have any other thoughts about what you would like to do, I would love to hear them. I am actually very interested in what other things you think you could do with this particular project. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm putting up new videos every day, so you are welcome to tune in any day of the week because there's always something new to see, and I will see you all later. Bye!